Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you have been paying attention to the crypto market, let's just say Bitcoin is doing extremely well, holding above the price of 97,000. As long as we're able to stay over that support, there is a lot of room for growth. And if you do not know, whenever retail investors see a lot of opportunity in the crypto market and they make a recovery, the first category they like to invest in is meme coins. Now, meme coins are also doing extremely well in the last 1 week if you have been paying attention, as Bitcoin is able to make a recovery. Doge, Pepe and Shiba are leading the chart, but one of the strongest recovery that we have seen is actually from Pepe. Now you can see that there's still a lot of room for Pepe to actually grow to Shiba Inu. There's a lot of Pepe tokens which are coming out and are doing extremely well, but the one that I have been paying attention to and I mentioned before is Wall Street Pepe. Every single time I think about making a video or an update video, because I see the comment section, you guys are like, Sky, we need an update video. The amount of money invested in this token grows rapidly. Right now, it's still in a pre-sale stage. They have raised about $41.6 million. So the launch for this token is going to be huge. But let me tell you one thing, after the pre-sale comes to an end, after its launch, there's going to be even more people buying, and the amount of opportunity that will be created from this token is going to be incredible. Just to give you perspective what this token is about, it's pretty much Wall Street Pepe. Wall Street Pepe hates the whales which are hiding inside the insider group, so he decided to make his own, join the WEPE token army. So you're able to make a lot of profit. Right now, if you do decide to buy it in the pre-sale, you can actually stake it away. You receive about 31% return per annum. It was a little bit higher last time, but as obviously more people are investing, this number is going to go down slowly. On the other end, if you do want to talk about their, phase in terms of what they want to do with this token, well, catching the whales, that's the first thing, ensuring that the whales do not ruin the way that everything is happening in this token. Then the rich frog march together. We get all the way to the Wall Street, Frog Street takeover, and fast lane to fortune. Right now, the token supply is going to be close to 200 billion. And if you look over here, if you guys have any problems in terms of if you want to get in contact with the team, if you have any questions, you can do so with all of this information. At the same time, their Twitter has about 31,000 followers. It grows every single time. Honestly, every single time that I look at it, it definitely goes to a higher number. The first post they made has close to 300,000 views, so they're definitely getting a lot of attention from whales and also a lot of crypto investors in general. As more people are going to be amazed and wanting to invest in it, obviously the investment is going to go up. Talking about their audit, nothing is wrong with the token. It's pretty much perfect. At the same time, one thing I do want to say is this is a meme coin. DOGE investing theme in the finance and crypto, APIN, but don't forget, this is not financial advice. Do your own research because it is your money and you need to keep it safe. At the same time, if you guys look at their Telegram, they have about 13,600 members, so pretty good holding there as well. By the way, if you do want to purchase this token, it's very, very simple. You just need to go to the description of this video and then it will give you a link. Come to this website, then you guys can decide if you want to buy with card or crypto. Let's say you decide crypto, select the wallet, MetaMask, best wallet, whichever one you personally use. Once you select it, you guys will be able to get whichever USDT or Ethereum. You just need to select how much you want to convert into WEPE. Once you have done that, pretty much done that, your money will be taken. You will receive the WEPE and you can go ahead and stake it away as I just mentioned. This token still has so much potential to go, but as I mentioned, make sure you do your own research before you do decide to put your money into it, because at the end of the day, it is your money and you need to keep it safe. On the other end, if you pay attention to the way the meme coins are doing, there is a lot of room, and when this token will be released, most likely Trump will be in office. This is probably your last option or last opportunity to be able to get into it early. Once you're able to get into it early, you can make a lot of profit. If you do a simple research, like you just search up Wall Street Pepe on Google, you'll realize that a lot of big names such as Cointelegraph, Brave New Crypto, and NFT Evening have actually covered this token. So the legitimacy is quite good. I have been paying attention to that. Other than that, make sure if you want to buy it, the link will be in the description. Thank you so much for watching the video. Hope you guys are having a wonderful time and a safe holiday with your family, and I hope you have a great time, and I will see you very soon.